All right. So let me make my screen a little bigger. Do you understand what theoretically is happening here?
Kind of, but go ahead. I know that we put things into place and it triggers like next movements of what goes on and what actions are done.
Mhm. Okay. So let's use some vocabulary first. So we have triggers and actions when it comes to workflows. That's the only two things that exist inside here. There's a lot of different types of triggers and a lot of different types of actions. You can see that at the top of our little food chain, I don't know what to call that thing, it says trigger, which is an appointment. You see that?
Hmm.
Click on that trigger. So this is where we can change the name of a trigger. We can change what type of trigger it is. And when you change what type of trigger it is, it will give you different filters and all sorts of ways to customize the trigger. So right now, the trigger is appointment status. You see where that drop down is?
Yep.
And you can scroll through these, and here's all the different types of triggers there are. So what the trigger is saying is when this thing happens,
Hmm.
make all these other actions happen below it.
Got it.
So you see, you can, and this is where like the learning stage might be applicable here. It's just like going through and reading these things like, oh, there's a trigger for certificates issued. What the heck is that? And then you go down the wormhole and learn about certificates or like private channel. What's that? Group access. What's that? And then you can start building out your knowledge and your language around the things that Go High Level can do.
Yes. Okay. This is very helpful.
IVR, just for your information, is when you call a phone number and it's like press 1 for service, press 2 for customer service, press 3 if you hate IVRs. That's what an IVR is. And
Got
you can build them out and Go High Level.
As in creating them.
You can create them, yeah. So if somebody called your GHL number, you could create an IVR that when they called, the little receptionist thing is like press 1 to talk to Amber, press 2 to send Amber a present, that type of thing.